this video, I will share with you the easiest way to fill up a bookshelf in 3ds Max. First of all, we'll need a set of books which will represent the elements of the same editable poly. Apply Array Modifier. It is available from 2023 version of 3ds Max. Distribution settings, grid and fill. Check Array by element and for element distribution random. Set the right axis to be centered by. In the next step, you'll need to set up the length for the entire array. Also, choose the right offset or spacing for distance between elements. Check Pack Elements and seed the variations for your books. If you need to fill up more than one shelf, then go and set up the height and the offset between rows. You can always come back to your array settings and make any changes you need. Change the length or height or seed variations for your array. In order to get a more realistic effect, you can randomize the book's position by adding a slight rotation angle. Make a copy and make the necessary changes for the next shelves, or just start over again and repeat the steps to get all your shelves filled up with the books.